In today's video, I'll show you how to increase laptop speaker volume on Windows 11. Now, this is going to help you to get a louder speaker sound. So to do this, what you have to do is just be on your desktop, then just go to the search bar at the bottom. And in here, you need to search for Control Panel. From the best matches, you'll find Control Panel for System. Just open it. And after that, you have to make sure at the top right, View By is set to small icons and not to category or large icon. Make sure it's set to small icons. And after that, at the left-hand side, you'll find Sound. So just click on it to open it. This will open a menu like this. And in here, what you can do is just find the speakers or the headphones that you're using. In the Playback tab, I find the speakers that I'm using. So I'll just right-click on it and click on Properties. And after done that, I'll just go to Levels and I'll make sure the speaker is at a good level from here. And after that, I'll go inside the Enhancement tabs. And from here, there's an option called Disable All Enhancement. As you can see, it's turned on. I'll just uncheck this. This will allow me to introduce enhancements to my audio. For example, I need a louder speaker. Therefore, I'll turn on or check loudness equalization. And I'll also turn on bass boost. And after that, I can preview the audio over here as well. After that, just click on apply, click on OK. Click on OK over here as well. Then just go ahead and restart your computer and your volume of your speakers or headphones should be really loud. And basically, that is how to increase the speaker volume on Windows 11 laptop and PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.